check out the bathroom. Look how big the shower is, guys. That's huge. I don't know. Is that a heat lamp? Commode. What's up, guys? We are at the Mariot. This is the setup. You know, not too bad. It's a little small, a little bit small, but I like the background here. Check that out. That's not too bad. It's pretty cool. It's like camo or something like that. It almost makes this look like a tree, and then it just blossoms out this way. But I think that is some kind of tree there, guys. I don't know. Then on this side you got like a digitalized pattern of some sort. Got mirrors, you got place to plug in, charge your phones, charge up everything, got coffee. I don't know, does that look clean, guys? Does that look, I see something there, I don't know. It's all smudging, I don't know, guys, if that's clean or not. I don't know. Not sure. I want to use that. I did want to have a cup of coffee, some glasses here. There's a microwave, small one. I don't know what you're gonna do that with the microwave, but refrigerator, some waters or whatever. Something for ice up there. And look how this just closes and hides everything, you know what I mean? It's like, just hides everything. Oh, what the heck is in here, guys? Place to put your luggage, maybe, you know what I mean? Right. Some luggage in there. And this computer chair. Up here. Got a light. Got a light to light things up right there. That's pretty cool. TV. Somehow some lights are up here above the bed, if you can see that or not. There's the switch over here. Yeah, they're on now. That's pretty cool. The seam's coming apart a little bit up there, but take a look outside here, guys. I wanted the third floor, but we got stuck here. There's somebody coming right there. Driving on down. Kind of see there's a lot of ice and snow. I'd rather be on the third floor, to be honest with you. right there. Looks like that pussy willow tree is coming into bloom. It's weird. But anyway, guys, it's the room. Look, we got one of these things. Slide it around if you want. This moves around here.